welcome to my channel. Today we're going to read this book over here. Let's start.
Okay, can you read this Japanese word we have here? What is this?
A, I, U, E, O, to, su, ji.
One more time.
This one, this here.
Oh, no, just this one.
A, I, U, E, O, to, su, ji.
Okay, good job. So now, can you turn the book to the other side, to the back of the book?
Woohoo!
Now we have so many Japanese words, right?
Yeah.
And we have numbers too.
Yeah.
You are going to say the word in Japanese and also the numbers in Japanese. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So, can you go one more time? What word is this?
Ma.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait.
You want to use this?
Yeah, can I have it?
Go ahead.
A, I, U, E, O, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, hu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, yu, yo, da, di, ru, re, do, wa, wo,
Beautiful.
Well, I wrote these ones by myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say the numbers in
Okay.
Japanese?
0、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。
Oh my goodness, this is super amazing. We are going to read it
Can we
one
read this
more time. Oh, can you read that?
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead.
A, I, U, E, O, Hi, Hyo.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me call Muna so Muna can tell us. Muna, come and see this Japanese.
A, I, U, E, O.
So stand here. He's gonna read it. Tell us if he's correct. Okay, watch him.
A, I, U, E, O, Hyo.
Good job!
Right.
Good job. Thank you for teaching us that Japanese, okay?
Okay.
Good job. Okay, now let's go to the next page. No,
We already did this one.
no, this other page.
Okay.
This one here.
We already. No, wait. This is not
This one, okay?
Okay.
We are going to be reading that one. So I'm gonna bring the camera very close.
Okay. I can't wait to start.
Okay, are you ready?
Yup.
Okay, go ahead. Read the Japanese character for us.
Kya kyu kyo. Sha shu sho. Cha chu cho. Nya nyu nyo. Hya hyu hyo. Mya nyu myo. Lia ryu yo. Kya yu yo. Cha ju jo. Cha ju jo. Pya hyu hyo. Pya bu byo. Pya pu pyo.
Good job. Can you read his characters?
Oh, from down to up.
Where is the starting point?
Starting point is from right to left.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see.
A, I, U, E, O, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, hu, he, ho, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, ya, yu, yo, da, di, du, de, do, wa, wo,
Yay!
Did
Good
you-
job.
And did you know that there's two ways of writing Ayuyo?
Oh, really?
This is katakana way, and for the other side it's hiragana way.
Oh, this is Hiragana.
And the other
And this
side,
other side is...
katakana.
Amazing. Thank you for teaching me, okay?
Okay.
Can we go back to the hiragana?
Okay.
Okay, can you read in hiragana? Let's go.
Well,
Start from the beginning.
from the I will.
That's right.
I.
And points nicely.
Okay. I. O. Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko.
No, you're not pointing nicely.
No. Under them.
Now point nicely. Start from
Okay.
the beginning.
I. O. Ka. Ki. Ku. Ke. Ko. Sa. Shi. Su. Se. So. Da. Chi. Tsu. De. Do. It's like a song. Na. Ni. Nu. Ne. No. Ha. Hi. Hu. He. Ho. Ma. Mi. Mu. Me. Mo. Ya. Yu. Yo. Da. Di. Du. De. Do. Wa. Wo.
Okay, good job. Now go to the numbers and say it in Japanese.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Amazing.
Jude, it's
Good
also
job.